Welcome back. Joining us this morning are Ashley Rapatoy and Christy Vatcher from AllCare Health. Good morning, ladies. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having us.
Of course. Now, AllCare is hosting a Seniors Day Out event on Saturday, June 21st. So what can you tell us about the event and why AllCare is putting it on?
Yes, we are so excited about this event. So at AllCare, our mission is changing healthcare to work for you. And with that, it means that we're listening to people and we're serving them and creating just solutions that meet their needs.
Absolutely.
Yes, that's right. Over the past year, we've actually hosted some listening sessions and invited the seniors in to chat with them and really ask what they needed and how we can help and what we can do.
Why is a senior-focused event specifically so important for our region, would you say?
That's a great question. Southern Oregon has a large and growing senior population, but we've also lost some key resources over the last few years. Transportation, clinics, even some social spaces.
Yeah, which is so important for seniors specifically, getting that social interaction and engagement. So it kind of sounds like this event is really a mix of support services, but also a good social opportunity for seniors too.
Yeah, and seniors, they definitely engage with healthcare differently than some of the younger folks. So sometimes they just don't know where to go, or they're managing multiple different conditions, and it can feel very overwhelming. So we wanted to create a space that removes those barriers, having one location, one day with lots of wraparound support and care.
Awesome. So what can people expect when they go to this event? Is it going to be a bunch of booths set up, or just kind of what can people expect?
Yeah, so we have a full schedule planned out for them. So free mobile health exams, fall risk assessments, and senior benefits, Medicare support for them. We're including lots of fun and interactive activities too.
We have a senior coffee chat club set up.
Fun.
Dutch Bros will be there doing free coffee and free hot chocolate. So we'll have a nice dedicated area to kind of just sit down and mingle some more and kind of just figure out what resources are lacking, point them in the right direction, and give them any information we can.
Absolutely.
We're also partnering with Team Senior and Vita. And then Club 62. We're going to be having some raffle prizes, scavenger hunt.
Yes.
And partnering with Club 60, and they're going to have some activities there.
Yes. And Joco Vita is free tax services for seniors in our community.
Okay.
So they'll be there kind of just giving out any sort of resources for that and helping.
Yeah, that's really nice. It kind of sounds like a one-stop shop for seniors.
Yeah, 100%.
Is the event open to anyone?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Don't have to be an AllCare member. It's open to the whole community. It's completely free. We're just trying to get people there to engage and socialize.
Very fun.
And as a little thank you gift, we are doing the first 50 attendees. We'll have a free loaf of bread donated by Friends Bakery.
Wow.
Yeah, super
nice.
excited.
I love that. It's just another little perk for attending the event.
Yes.
Well, is there anything else that either of you would like to share before we wrap up today?
Definitely just the day is really about seniors. We hope that they feel welcome. They walk out feeling very supported by our community, and that Southern Oregon is definitely a place that we care about them and their health and their well-being.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's so important, because knowing that these resources are there, that's why they're there, that's such a great message to send.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you both for being on our show this morning.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
AllCare Health Senior Day Out event happens next Saturday, the 21st, from 1 to 4 at AllCare's location on 7th Street in Grants Pass. As we said, there will be health checks, food and beverages, social activities, and much more. It's not specific to any insurance, and all are invited to attend. If you have any questions, you can send them to either of the email addresses listed there on your screen. Ashley, Christy, once again, thank you so much for being on Sunrise.
Awesome. Thank you for having us.
Thank
you
you.
for having
We'll be right
us.
back.